Which one's the brake and which one's the accelerator?
Which one's the brake? You've got your foot on it.
Does it actually work?
Yeah. Yeah.
But we hope so, because otherwise we have to push it.
At the beginning, you'll all be sitting down, and when you take off, it will be like this pudding. Pudding.
Yes, we're just missing crooked.
When you take off, it will be like this.
The seat is crooked.
I settled in it when it's crooked.
Oh, okay.
She ruined a perfectly good tractor.
Yeah.
So where's the accelerator?
The accelerator is this lever.
Oh, that's right.
And you can only use the first 2 gears, the third one is on. So we have to wait for say 5 minutes that the battery get a little bit of cuts in it.
There's always hope, hey Daan?
Oh yeah, we never just give up.
Is that what diesel looks like?
It is bluish, a little bit bluish color. And it smells different than your aftershave. And that's done.
Just about the same, mate. Nothing wrong with this. What do you reckon, Mark?
Wicked! We're gonna roast marshmallows!
That's it.
What are you eating, Marky? Marky Book, can have a look.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallow. And what are you going to do with marshmallows?
Roast them.
What do you reckon, Daan?
Probably just get some more paper and some cardboard, and so they all can have a drink, and then we go back and
Try again.
try again, and then get a little bit darker, and it's more excitement.
The tractor looks a bit lost there.
And lost is the kind of
You think
part
you
now.
can get it out of the mud?
No, I don't think so. And if I drive up there with the car, I get stuck, and then I have to stay here Monday.
Yeah.
Now it will be alright.
2 hours later, and 400 liters of diesel.
It's too heavy.
Oh, I thought it was all gone. Oh no. That's it. I've got this in here. Swear to God, that tree's
Now we've got like some outfits, and it's so funny because there's like 3 other outfits.
Run and charge. Yeah, you see,
Aw, give me the smoke.